This is one of the best videos you are going to watch yet again on this channel. Now today I want to go straight to the point and introduce you into a business that is going to make you a lot of money in a short possible time. Now, this is not a get rich quick investment scheme, and I'm not telling you to say go and put your money somewhere and the money will be giving you so percent every day. No, but I want to introduce you to a business that many people have been doing silently. They have never shared with you, but just like on this channel my goal is to help everyone grow. My goal is to make sure we distribute what we produce in Africa. My goal is to make sure we add value to what we produce in Africa. My goal is that we make farming attractive to follow youth just like me. Now, many youth are not interested because on a frankly speaking, it doesn't give them the kind of money they need. And some of us who have seen opportunities and we have made a little money from this agricultural business, we keep sharing the ideas. We can't just keep it in our head. And that is what I'm always doing on my channel. So if this is your first time here, my name is Denison. You can just call me Billionaire Farmer. I'm open. I've made my WhatsApp number available. I've made my email available, just that you can reach out to me if you are interested in any of the idea that you found on this channel. And for those who are always here with me, thank you so much. I love you for always watching my videos, for always sharing my videos. I'm humbled when people call me to tell me that someone shared your video with me and asked me to watch. Now it means that you people are doing a great job for me, and I appreciate you all from the depth of my heart. So the newcomers, subscribe to this channel, like this video. So today I want to introduce you to exportation market. Now, exportation market is not a business that started today, and it's not a new business idea that I want to share with you. I just want to make sure you also benefit from this market. I know you have been making research. You want to go into export. And now, especially many Africans who are in the diaspora, many Nigerians who are in the diaspora, this video is what you should take serious. Because now, honestly, some of you are US citizens. You have stayed there for many years. You have gotten your citizenship. Now, that advantage of that passport that some of us are praying and hustling to get, you have it. You don't know how powerful it is. It means that you can travel to any country. Now, traveling is one of the best education you can give yourself. For some of us, in my past life, or let me say my early 20s, I never took traveling serious. I saw it as maybe waste of money. So all my plan was just build my farm, buy good machines, buy good cars for my company, and the rest. I did not invest in travel. Now you have that passport. I want you to invest in traveling. Or even if you don't have the passport, you have access to travel. Now this video is also going to help you, because I'm going to introduce you to a training that will teach you how to venture into exportation of agro commodities. Now, the exportation business I'm going to share with you will help you in a way that you can go to these companies. We are going to share the link with you. We will share the link with you of off-takers of different agricultural products. You are the one to select which of the company you want to supply to. Now, this is how this training is going to be. It's an online training. That is, anybody from any part of the world can join the training. If you are in Nigeria, or you are in Ghana, you are in South Africa, you are in Kenya, you are in Niger, you can join this training. Any part of Africa, any part of the world. The ideas we are sharing here is not just what we read in books. I know you have watched many videos on exportation. I have watched myself, because for many years I was looking at how I can export maybe finished product or raw materials, so that I can help my farmers. So that the things that are wasting in Benue State, things that are wasting in Kano, or things that are wasting in Ghana, Togo, they shouldn't be wasting. When there is demand for this product abroad, I started making my research, attending training. Hey, someone will charge you $20, you pay. Someone will charge you $50, you pay. And then at the end of the training, maybe you will just end with a pile of PDF or hundreds of videos to watch. And all those videos, what they will tell you is where you can go and source for client. I've also made the video. I made the video early this year showing people website where you can go, how you can hustle for clients. I was teaching about exportation of charcoal. But just like knowledge is progressive. We learn every day. And as we learn, we share. For me, when I learn, I share, I learn more. So this opportunity I'm sharing with you today, I didn't get it today. I started exportation. In fact, I got my export license early this year. I think January 17th or so, I got my export license, right? And I started doing my exportation, but on a small scale due to what? Lack of capital. I don't have the financial capital because exportation requires that you have capital. So along the line, I've learned from the boss, from my boss that teach me this business. I've learned from him, and I decided that if he should train me and I'm able to start and I'm doing a little with the little money I have with me, many other people want to plug into this opportunity. You might want to plug in because for you have the funds, you have the access, you know where to go. The only thing is you don't know the right people to connect to. And this is what I want to do for you today. I have a team that is going to train you on exportation business. Focus mainly on exportation of agro commodities, but not limited to that. Because I know these guys, they export almost everything. But my focus is on agro commodities. So let me just tell you few of the agro commodities you can export. Let's start from there. Few agro commodities. Now the list is not exhaustive. We still have many other commodities that personally I don't even know. So I'm going to share with you the few that I know that I believe are going to help you start doing your survey. Also, I'm going to tell you how much the training will cost for you and how you can go about the training. So number one, cashew nut. Cashew nut is one among the hot export commodity we have in Africa. Now the whole world goes for African cashew. You can do your research. They love the taste. They love the thickness of our cashew. They love the byproduct our cashew produce for them. So many people from Asia, Europe, America, they South America, they come to Nigeria, they come to Africa to buy cashew. So all you need to do is to know. So number one product, cashew. The next product is cocoa bean. Now cocoa beans is gotten from cocoa that we have. We have a lot of cocoa in Ivory Coast. We have a lot of cocoa in Ghana. We have massive cocoa in Benue State. Sorry, Nigeria to be precise. We have a lot. We have a lot of this product. And many of them, honestly, not like they are wasting, but our farmers need to be able to export what they are producing. Now, I'm not against value addition. If we are coming up and you say, okay, for me, I don't want to export the raw cocoa. I want to process it a bit to maybe cocoa butter. You can go ahead and do that. We'll still give you a market that need the cocoa butter abroad. Now, you can say, okay, let me export. The next product is cassava. You can decide, okay, let me export cassava chips, dry cassava. I'm going to tell you that it will be profitable for you to grind that cassava to powder and export. That is where you make money. So the training is going to help you open up Africa. People have been hiding these updates, and you know I don't hide them. I've begged my boss and say, sir, let us train my members. They are willing to learn. Many people have reached out to me already. They want to go into export. Now another product or another commodity is charcoal. There is demand for charcoal abroad. Not just charcoal gotten from hardwood. Charcoal barricades. Do you know what we make from charcoal barricades? I think one of our African brother from Ghana, I was watching his video on YouTube where he used the coconut bag shell to burn it into charcoal barricade, and he's exporting, making millions of dollars. You can search, the video is on YouTube here. Now you can plug in. He cannot finish the market. Now how about the rice chaff? For some of us, if you come to Benue State, go to Nasarawa or you go to Kano, there are a lot of this product that people burn. You can turn those things to charcoal barricade and export. Now we can link you with the export market. So once your charcoal is ready, you are not looking for where to sell. We give you contacts. And if you have your visa, you travel to those countries. You speak with those companies by yourself. This is for people who can go there. Then even if you can't go there, most of these companies, they have their agents here in Nigeria, in Lagos. They have their agent all over, scattered everywhere in Africa. Who connect you there. They show you what to do. Now another product you can also export is called seasoning seed. Many of you know seasoning seed as Bene seed. It's a higher demand product. High demand product abroad. Even within Nigeria, we use it to produce oil. We use it for our soup. We use it for many other byproducts. For snacks. So there is demand for this product, and we can link you up with the market. You are the one to select which of the products you want to go for. Now another one is ginger. Oh my God, you know what is called ginger. You know how much a ton of ginger is. You are an intelligent person. With a simple Google search, you can know how much a ton of ginger is in the international market. And we have a lot of ginger in Nigeria. Go to Kaduna State, there is a lot of ginger there. There's a massive ginger. And what are you going to do? Your own goal is not to go and buy land and start cultivating ginger. Encourage the farmers by exporting ginger. Encourage the farmers by adding value to ginger. So how are you going to do this? You can set up a processing factory, that is if you want, where you can buy fresh ginger, sliced dry, packaged neatly and export. Or you can just go and buy the dried one and also export. There are people here in Nigeria who process their ginger, just the slice and sun dry. Now if you want to go into it big time, like full time business, you can set up a factory where you buy machines that process the ginger for you. Maybe not even to ginger powder, you can do that too. There is vast opportunities in agriculture, and the exportation market has been opened up for you because you are a subscriber to this channel and because you have been listening to me, and I've brought this opportunity to you. Now the next product you can export is palm oil. Palm oil. Palm oil is another hot demand product. It's being used in the cosmetic industry. It's being used in the detergent. So many companies use palm oil. We have a lot of palm oil in Nigeria. We have a lot in Ghana. We have a lot in Kenya. There are many African countries that have this product. And mind you, this does not limit to, okay, we have palm oil in Nigeria, and since you're not in Nigeria, you will not do it. Bro, you're an African man. You are to eat from the land. Come to Nigeria. Come visit Nigeria and mop the palm oil. As long as you have the market, you have the money. Nigerians will love people who sell to you. We will not say, no. Our happiness is that you are coming to offtake so that our farmers will know that their product is not going to waste. And it will encourage youth. Someone can go and buy 10 hectares now to plant because knowing fully well there is a company that is off-taking. Now, another product is soya beans. We have a lot of soya beans in Benue State. We have a lot in Niger State. We have a lot in Kano. We have a lot in Sokoto. We have a lot everywhere in Africa. In Ghana, you will see it. In Kenya, you will see it. In Benin Republic, Burkina Faso, you will see it. So it's another hot demand product that you can export and make big money. Another hot demand product is garri. I know one of our Ghanaian person, our Ghanaian farmer who is exporting garri in tons, in massive container load, and she's making good money. You can also tap into this market. See, the difference between you and the person exporting and making money is information. They got the information and they silently went into it. The truth is they can't even meet up, but they are making that money. And sometimes they are afraid to even tell you, because if they tell you, you feel maybe they want to cheat you. You get, so they can just decide to hide the information and be quiet, because most of these things, they cost money. It's not free. And I'm going to tell you the fee you will need to enter this market. Now another product you can export is crayfish. You can export stockfish. You can export, there are many products, guys. There are many products. So what are you going to do for you to be able to step into this market? Number one, you need a training. You need the knowledge. You need the market connection, the contact of companies, because you cannot randomly go to China and start asking them who is buying charcoal here. They might look at you like, maybe number one, as a fraudster, that you're looking for who to defraud. But when you come to China from a reputable company that have been supplying to them, we give you a document and say, this person is working with us, he wants to supply this product for you, work with him. That's all you need. And that is the reason why the next person is making money from agriculture and you're not making. You don't have the information. The information has not been given to you. You're just working on head knowledge. Guesswork. Don't do guesswork. Come for this training. This training is tailored, individual, and it will not take your time. You can decide when you're available, and will make provision for you and teach you how you can come into exportation business, which product to export, which country to export. So you can choose which one your financial capacity can push, and then you invest your money into it and you make millions of dollars. There is money in exportation of agro commodities. So the training, how much is the training fee? Someone is asking me. Now on average you need $650 for this training. $650, which is, let me say, 1 million naira in Nigerian currency. This is how much you need for you to do this training. Now, just like I said, this training might not be easy for most people, but you have gotten this information now, right? So you can work on it. Before now, you never knew that if you have just $1,000, you can start exportation. You can get the knowledge. You can get the contact. But I've made it available for you today for free. That with $1,000, and the training is just $650, which is average of 1 million naira. If you are in Nigeria, we'll do the training for you. We'll hold you by the hand, teach you how to source for commodities, teach you how to export. Let's assume you are in the diaspora, you are not in Nigeria. How can you do this business? Or you are a Ghanaian, but you are based in Europe. How can you do this business? It's very simple. Extremely simple. You need money. Go for the training. In that training, we will show you how you can go about it. We will show you what you can do since you are not on ground, how this business can be done for you, or you partner with a company and how to move about it. Right? Everything will be documented. Everything will be transparent. You know how the business works. Nobody is telling you, give me money, go and sit down, I will pay you return investment. No, you are part of the business. You will know how the business is done. And if you decide, okay, I need a physical training, I want to come, be on ground, learn with you guys, we are open for that. We are going to show you all of this. So this is the advantage of subscribing to this channel. And this is the advantage of following someone whose goal is to watch Africa grow. Whose goal is to watch young people make money in agriculture. Like myself, my goal is to make money. My goal is to help my farmers. That is why I share investment knowledge with people. And I use my bitter experience to warn people. Don't jump into exportation with head knowledge. You need people who have been into it to hold you by the hand, show you what to do. Someone can defraud you easily. They are not into it. They don't have track record. You need solid people who know what to do, who know where to source, who have contact with real companies. This one I'm not telling you go and join a Facebook group and then type African restaurant and then apply to those restaurants and be supplying to them. We have moved past that level. We are discussing of business to business approach. You're not exporting one bag of gari to one of your uncle who is in UK. No, you are exporting gari or cassava chip to a company that is using it for biofuel, for a company that is using it for production of needles, or production of starch, another product. You're dealing with companies. So you will need this training. And if you're interested, just check the attached comment or check this video description. I have put a Telegram channel link there. When you get to that link, you will see a Google form. All you have to do for me is to fill that form, put your phone number, all the information that is required, just put it there, and we'll reach out to you, arrange a day for your training, show you what to do, hold you by the hand, and set you on fire, and you start making this money from the international market. As simple as ABC. I've been into it not too long, but I thank God that I got to learn recently. Many have been doing it, but me, I say, let me share with you. You can also call me. I'm not the only person doing the training. The person that trained me is also around in the group. He's the one to give you the real training that you need, every information that you need. There's no hidden secret in this business. Just that people hold information a lot from this part of the world. People feel if I introduce you to this business, you make money more than me, or the business will be saturated. There is nothing like saturation here. We can't even exhaust the market. So come on board for this training. Join the Telegram, get that form, fill it, and your training will start immediately. Thank you so much for staying connected. Share this video. There are many people looking for this. Some of you who are abroad, you are looking for how to make money, help Africa. This is another way you can help Africa. You don't need to be in Africa to help Africa. You can stay outside of Africa and help distribution of food within Africa and outside of Africa, and you are helping Africa. So thank you so much for your willingness to join this training and help our food distribution business easy. I remain Denison, your billionaire farmer. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.